Hi everyone, it's Laura here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back to share with you an unboxing of the Spellbinders card kit of the month for January 2019. This card kit is called You're My Type and it's packed full of amazing goodies. Also, make sure to visit my blog for some inspiration with products from the kit. You will find it linked in the description box down below. But now let's open the kit and reveal what's inside. When you open the kit, you find a little information sheet with details about the content of the kit and some inspiration for you. The kit includes this little adorable jar full of sequins. Some stickers, these you get also in capital letters, so if you flip this sheet around, you will have these red glitter letters but in capital font. Included with the kit, you also find the stamp set. This is the You're My Type stamp set and it's full of love and Valentine's Day themed sentiments. The whole kit is love themed, so this stamp set matches perfectly the theme of the kit. You get a great selection of dies and we can have a look at them one by one. As you can see, all the elements are individually packaged, which makes it really easy to store them back. The dies include a very cute typewriter and this rectangle die, which is going to die cut a sheet of paper that you can insert into your typewriter once you die cut it out. And then there is a great range of florals and leaves, which will allow you to create some very nice floral compositions. There is a cute little heart-shaped die, and then we have three different sentiment dies: Love, XOXO, and You Plus Me. You also get some double-sided adhesive and some foam squares, which means that you can basically just use this kit and you're good to go in creating your cards. You also get card bases and envelopes. These are A2 sized card bases and envelopes. You get some enamel dots in different colors that match the color scheme of the kit. And then you get literally a ton of die-cut shapes and some 3D stickers. And here you can really play around and create a lot of cards using these supplies. I shared some inspiration on my blog, so make sure to check it out. I just showed you the two sets of 3D stickers, and now I will go through all the die-cut shapes so you can see them one by one and have an idea of what you get with this kit. I was really happy with its content and I think it is really great value. I love the style of these die-cut shapes and the feel they give to the card, and I love the fact that you get images that you can use as focal points, you get sentiments like these banners I just showed you, and you get also some images that you can instead use as accents. So really a great assortment of die-cut shapes. Next up, we have the You're My Type 6x6 paper pad. This paper pad includes 12 different designs and you get each design repeated 3 times. So in total you get 36 sheets of paper, of design pattern paper. And you can see that the backs are white, which means if you want to use one design, you don't have the problem that you're gonna lose what's in the back. Then we have 3 additional card bases. This is some glossy colored cardstock and you get it in red, pink and white. And then you get some sheets of cardstock. This is 8.5 inches by 11 inches and you get 6 different colors. So we have vanilla, white, light blue, yellow, pink and green. and you get a smoother side and a side which has a linen type texture, which I think adds by itself a very nice detail to your cards. So you can see that with this kit you really get a lot to work with and pretty much everything you need to create your cards. If you want to know more about the Spellbinders card kit subscription and you want to see some inspiration with the products from the kit, you can visit my blog post, which will be linked in the description box down below. Some of these products are also available as extras, which means you can get them separately, whereas the rest you only get as part of the Kit of the Month subscription. And again, if you want to read more about this, you can visit my blog, which you will find linked in the description box down below. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. You can visit my blog for the full list of supplies, and I'll catch you guys soon with the next one. Ciao!